If you think a small New York City apartment can't feel high-end, this renovation is going to change your mind. This project took place in a co-op building at 345 East 81st Street on the Upper East Side, where space is limited, layouts are fixed, and every design decision has to work within strict building constraints. Let's start with the bathroom. The original space felt cramped, visually cluttered, and inefficient. There was limited storage, and the layout made the room feel even smaller than it actually was. Now, the space feels calm and intentional. One of the biggest upgrades was the use of vertical tile lines. This draws the eye upward and makes the ceiling feel higher. An important move in smaller NYC bathrooms. We replaced a bulky enclosed shower setup with a clean walk-in design and added a black framed glass partition. This keeps the space visually open while still defining the shower area. Inside, we built a recessed niche directly into the wall. That eliminates the need for hanging storage and keeps everything streamlined. Material selection also plays a major role here. Warm wood tones are balanced with matte black and subtle brass accents. That combination adds contrast and depth without overwhelming the space. Now, let's move into the kitchen. Like many kitchens in Upper East Side co-op buildings, the original layout lacked storage, felt narrow, and didn't function efficiently for everyday use. Now, this space is fully optimized. We designed a clean galley layout that improves flow between prep, cooking, and storage. Lower cabinets in a deep blue tone ground the space, while warm wood cabinetry adds warmth and visual balance. This contrast isn't just aesthetic, it helps define zones within a small footprint. Open shelving was used selectively to keep the space feeling open without sacrificing functionality. Modern appliances were fully integrated into the design, maintaining clean lines and a seamless look. And the backsplash adds just enough texture to create interest without overpowering the overall design.
So Nora, why did you choose MyHome for your renovation?
Well, honestly, I didn't know where to start with this renovation, and so I started with some internet research. I came across House, and I saw that MyHome had amazing reviews. I wanted a design build firm, and so I sent an email to the team. They responded immediately. I think they were here the next day. Honestly, I saw the great reviews, and I was like, I think I have to work with them.
How was your experience overall with MyHome?
It was amazing. Again, I wanted a design build firm because I didn't want to have to coordinate any permits or anything like that. I wanted someone to handle the whole process. From day one, the team has been super responsive. I feel like I barely had to lift a finger, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So been extremely happy, and not to mention the craftsmanship has been amazing.
What is your favorite part of the design or project?
Ooh, that's a hard one. I think I keep coming back to the range, honestly. Adam had this vision where he wanted to match the range to the cabinets, and so we got this custom colored range, and I think it just looks amazing in the design.
What would you say to others considering MyHome for their renovation?
Well, I 100% super happy. The whole team has been amazing. I love the weekly updates they gave. I love that everyone was super involved, checking in, asking questions. If anything wasn't quite what I had envisioned, we worked with it, we fixed it. So the whole process was easy on me, and the final product I couldn't be happier with.